Welcome to RenewEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenewEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Welcome to RenewEnergy.com's captivating journey into the future of sustainable energy. Today, we immerse ourselves in the realm of green hydrogen, an emerging frontier in the world of renewable energy. This exploration promises to unravel the mysteries and potentials of green hydrogen, paving the way for a more sustainable and cleaner energy future. Section 1. Introduction to green hydrogen. In the grand narrative of energy evolution, green hydrogen emerges as a groundbreaking protagonist. Often hailed as clean hydrogen, it signifies a monumental shift in our sustainable energy narrative. This unique form of hydrogen isn't just another energy source, it's a beacon of innovation and environmental stewardship. Harnessing the power of surplus renewable energy sources, such as the boundless energy of the sun and the relentless force of the wind, green hydrogen is created primarily through a process as old as the universe itself, electrolysis. But this isn't just any electrolysis, it's a dance of molecules where water is elegantly split into its constituent hydrogen and oxygen atoms, propelled by the clean, inexhaustible energy of renewables. The essence of green hydrogen lies in its genesis. This isn't just a scientific process, it's a testament to human ingenuity in leveraging nature's gifts. By using renewable or low-carbon energy sources for electrolysis, green hydrogen production sets itself apart as the pinnacle of environmentally sustainable methods. It's a bold answer to the energy challenges we face, significantly slashing greenhouse gas emissions that have long been associated with traditional hydrogen production methods reliant on fossil fuels. This innovative approach to hydrogen production heralds a new era in energy solutions, one that could redefine how we power our world. As we delve deeper into the story of green hydrogen, we discover its potential to revolutionize industries, transform energy systems, and catalyze a global shift towards a more sustainable and cleaner future. Section 2. Defining green hydrogen. Venturing further into the green horizon, we encounter green hydrogen, a symbol of purity and environmental harmony in the world of energy. This isn't just hydrogen, it's a paradigm shift captured in the very essence of its makeup. Green hydrogen stands out as a beacon of cleanliness, produced in a way that leaves no carbon footprint in its wake. Imagine a world where the boundless energy harnessed from the sun and the power of gusting winds can be transformed into a fuel source. This is the reality of green hydrogen production, a process elegantly powered by electrolysis, driven entirely by renewable electricity. It's a seamless fusion of cutting-edge technology and natural energy prowess, a symbiotic relationship that epitomizes the very concept of renewable integration. But the story of green hydrogen goes beyond its environmentally friendly production process. It's about tapping into the excess power generated by renewable power plants and channeling it into something more, a testament to the efficiency and potential of this groundbreaking method. Green hydrogen isn't just another alternative fuel, it's a holistic concept that encompasses a wide spectrum, from its innovative production and safe distribution to its diverse applications and real-world use cases. As we delve deeper, we see green hydrogen as more than just energy, it's a narrative of possibilities and challenges. It's about understanding its unique value proposition in the energy market, addressing the barriers that stand in the way, and navigating the intricate web of policies and regulations that shape its future. Green hydrogen represents a dialogue between technology, policy, and sustainability, a conversation that will define the trajectory of our energy future. Section 3. Green hydrogen in the energy transition. In the global arena of energy transformation, green hydrogen has rapidly taken center stage as a key protagonist in the narrative of climate change and sustainable energy. As the world tirelessly seeks solutions to the ever-growing climate challenges, green hydrogen stands as a beacon of hope and innovation. It is not merely an energy source, it is a catalyst for change, driving industries towards a greener, cleaner mode of operation. Imagine the potential of an energy source that not only provides clean power but also offers the ability to store this energy for future use. This is the promise held by green hydrogen. Its capacity to store and deliver clean energy positions it as an invaluable asset in our journey towards a decarbonized globe. Green hydrogen is not just about generating energy, it's about reshaping our energy infrastructure to be more sustainable and resilient. The journey towards understanding and harnessing the full potential of green hydrogen is guided by invaluable resources like the Green Hydrogen Guidebook. These comprehensive guides serve as a treasure trove of knowledge, offering deep insights into the world of green hydrogen. They illuminate its pivotal role in the energy transition, showcase its diverse applications across various industries, and outline the strategies necessary for accelerating its market integration. Green hydrogen represents more than just an energy solution. It embodies the aspirations of a world striving for sustainability. It is a key player in the global narrative of energy transition, offering a pathway that is not only cleaner but also more aligned with the ecological needs of our planet. As we continue our exploration, green hydrogen emerges as a symbol of our collective effort to embrace cleaner energy practices and a sustainable future. Section 4: Technical Potential Analysis with Python for Green Hydrogen from Solar Energy. Delving into the technical depths of green hydrogen, we find ourselves at the nexus of renewable energy and advanced computational analysis. The task of gauging the technical potential of green hydrogen derived from solar energy is intricate, demanding a rigorous examination of diverse datasets. This is where Python, renowned for its formidable data processing prowess, becomes an invaluable ally. Python's utility in this realm is profound. Its versatility allows for the development of sophisticated algorithms capable of dissecting and deciphering complex energy data. These Python-based algorithms serve as the architects in constructing the optimal capacity mixes for the core components of green hydrogen infrastructure: electrolyzers, power plants, and battery energy storage systems. These algorithms do more than just crunch numbers. They provide clarity on the cost-effectiveness and operational efficiency targets, shaping the blueprints of feasible and efficient green hydrogen projects. The role of Python in this analytical process is pivotal, offering a lens through which the technical nuances of green hydrogen production are not only observed but also optimized. As we harness the computational intelligence of Python, we enhance our understanding and capabilities in green hydrogen production, ensuring that every joule of solar energy is harnessed effectively to fuel our sustainable future. Section 5: Economic Viability and Cost Assessment. As we navigate the landscape of green hydrogen, a crucial phase in its journey is assessing its economic viability. This step is integral to understanding and realizing green hydrogen's role as a sustainable energy source of the future. Here, the spotlight turns to the sophisticated realm of cost analysis, where Python emerges as a critical tool. Python's role in this phase transcends typical data processing. It becomes the backbone of economic evaluation, dissecting and analyzing various cost factors associated with green hydrogen production. With Python's advanced capabilities, intricate details such as the costs of equipment, electricity consumption, and ongoing maintenance are meticulously examined. These cost analyses conducted through Python are more than just number crunching exercises. They provide a comprehensive insight into the financial feasibility of green hydrogen projects. By evaluating these economic aspects in detail, Python enables stakeholders, investors, and policymakers to gain a clear understanding of the financial dynamics at play. This economic assessment, powered by Python, is instrumental for making informed decisions. It allows stakeholders to weigh the benefits against the costs, evaluate the return on investment, and strategize accordingly. In essence, Python's role in this phase is about empowering decision makers with accurate, reliable data, ensuring that investments in green hydrogen are both strategically sound and aligned with long-term sustainability goals. Section 6: Pioneering Technologies for Hydrogen Production. As we traverse the path from solar energy to hydrogen production, we are greeted by a landscape rich with pioneering technological innovations. This journey is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of sustainable energy solutions. Solar energy, in its abundant and renewable form, stands as a primary catalyst in this transformative journey, driving forward the innovations in hydrogen production. The realm of hydrogen production is replete with a variety of cutting-edge methods, each playing a significant role in advancing the production of green hydrogen. Among these, photocatalysis and thermochemical processes emerge as key players. Photocatalysis, a process where light energy is used to accelerate chemical reactions, opens new doors in harnessing solar energy for hydrogen production. It represents a synergy between light and chemistry, offering an efficient way to convert solar energy directly into chemical energy. Similarly, thermochemical processes offer another avenue for innovation. These processes utilize heat, often derived from solar energy, to drive chemical reactions that produce hydrogen. This method exemplifies the versatility and adaptability of solar energy in the realm of hydrogen production. Understanding and mastering these technological frontiers are crucial in fully harnessing solar energy for green hydrogen generation. These technologies are not just methods of production, they are harbingers of a future where green hydrogen plays a central role in our energy systems. As we explore these technologies, we gain insight into the limitless potential of solar energy and its capability to power a sustainable future through green hydrogen. Section 7, Predicting Potentials with Machine Learning and AI. In the evolving narrative of green hydrogen production, machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, have emerged as transformative forces. These technologies are reshaping the landscape with their unparalleled ability to predict and optimize the potentials of green hydrogen production. AI-driven models stand at the forefront of this technological revolution. They possess the extraordinary capability to forecast hydrogen production rates with a level of precision never seen before. But their role extends beyond mere prediction. These models are adept at optimizing various process parameters, fine-tuning each aspect of production to achieve maximum efficiency. Furthermore, AI and machine learning excel in predicting energy efficiency, a critical factor in the sustainable production of green hydrogen. By accurately forecasting energy requirements and outputs, these technologies ensure that green hydrogen production is not only efficient but also aligns with environmental sustainability goals. The predictive capabilities of AI and machine learning are more than just advanced features, they are instrumental in the journey towards efficient and reliable green hydrogen production. Their role is pivotal in overcoming the challenges of scalability and feasibility that have traditionally hindered the adoption of green hydrogen as a mainstream energy source. As we embrace these cutting-edge technologies, we pave the way for green hydrogen to become a ubiquitous and clean energy source, integral to our sustainable energy future. As we wrap up our exploration into the fascinating world of green hydrogen, it's evident that we are on the cusp of a transformative era in energy. Green hydrogen, with its eco-friendly and sustainable characteristics, stands out as a pivotal element in the future energy landscape. Our journey through innovative technologies and cutting-edge research has illuminated the immense potential of green hydrogen to revolutionize energy consumption and contribute to environmental sustainability. Yet, this is only the beginning. The field of green hydrogen is brimming with possibilities for further exploration, innovation, and advancement. This is where the power of community engagement and collective knowledge becomes indispensable. We invite you to be an active participant in this exciting and crucial journey. Join us at ReneEnergy.com in this ongoing exploration of green hydrogen. Stay updated with the latest advancements, share your thoughts, and engage with a community passionate about sustainable energy solutions. Your involvement is key to driving this sustainable energy revolution forward. Thank you for accompanying us on this enlightening exploration. Remember, the future of energy is a shared responsibility that begins with each of us. Keep the conversation going by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's collaboratively push the frontiers of what green hydrogen can achieve. Your voice, support, and active participation are vital in shaping a sustainable and green energy future. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.